Ni sample bro?
Ni sample.
And you are to sample. Mimi si mwa. So guys, we are inside KICC. This is some we have come back to you. Lakini kwa jina walikuwa ni everything is working on my phone. See, wait, nisikuja station wait kama moja. Mimi kama maji alafu tuachia.
Oh, tamla.
Hata ndio video noma ina record. Niwe ni ukweli, si nafaa muongeone.
Mbona mimi nimedanganya?
At least boy atangapa. Kila mtu akimwambia siki kwanza hata pili yenyewe tu.
Yo, so tutapiga 360. Ona kuanzia hivi ama hivi tukirudi hivi, sawa? So this is inside KICC.
Tupige picha tuweke pale juu ya KICC.
Ama ile yenye umefanya hivi. Aje.
Peleka mtaani.
Sini fogo
weke.
Look at that. So this is our car.
Atu wewe. Kuna shida.
Twende kwa DTB. Bro, neza try. Electric. So guys, okay, tulipatia hata nini? Let's up kidogo. So itafika. So nipige hapa tano. Okay, let me try guys. I'm trying and inaitwa what? EB bike. Oh, hii ndo Nyagwa na advertise. Oh guys, so this one. Okay. Okay. So price range is how much? 90,000 Kenyan shillings. Okay, 1 minute. Tunazunguka hivi. Wacha nipige tu hapa lap, alafu nione kwenye inside. Vile tuko na watu hapa tu. So guys, I'm trying electric bike. Woo! Okay, that is oh yeah, bro. Even too. Let's try. Guys. Wait. Kuna tena beta. Ukipedal mara moja imeenda tu sawa. That is fun. That is so fun bana. Tunazunguka hivi lazima tutapita kwa hiyo stand. Kitu pole pole sawa? Go. Oh, that's really nice. So kuna cheaper price than that one. That's the cheapest. Break. Sawa. Thanks.
Niko fani, bado kitu moja nitakupeleka mbio.
So, one battery is around for how long?
Inaenda until 80 kilometers.
80 kilometers ndio run out. Battery moja. Okay. 2 to 3 hours. Okay, thanks bro. Wacha tutakuja hivyo. So guys, aya, aki hapa ndio hii sasa. This is it. Nipe na mimi wote wacha. Nilikuwa nataka kukula but hatuta access ni sawa. Ama tuingie. Ya blue hii wapi? Shukran. We go. Tunazunguka round. So tutapiga hii side. Tunazunguka tu round the floor. Tunataka zile like tuko pale. Ni fun. So guys, this is KICC and I did a video about this place. You can check my previous video to see. This is after party.
Some of the tags fell off the bikes, and so their numbers are not recorded on the computer at the finish line, but that is being handled and it'll be sorted momentarily. In the interim, you can entertain yourself and possibly win some fantastic prizes. Just go to jbr.tuni.fun. That's jubr.tuni.fun, because it's a fun, interactive game. You just have to give yourself a name, play the game. The fastest one gets some fantastic prizes. Once again, it's jbr.tuni.fun. Thanks to Exigent. It's going to be fantastic for you as you enjoy an afternoon during this Jubilee Live Free race powered by the Grand Nairobi Bike Race. We've already had the key prizes awarded.
I did not participate, but I got a medal and I'm having fun. So the Nairobi side wrapped up the
Thanks to
I have noticed
some fantastic
and I'm hanging out with one. Yeah. Let's check it out. So guys, look at this outfit. So these are Kenyan. Let's see how much. This looks nice. So nice. Look at that. Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. How much are the gloves? It's okay. 950. Okay.
Yeah.
Skyscaters.
Flash.
It's
Flash skaters, yes. Kopoa, yes. Yaje bro? Oh, na hiyo ni poa sana. Kopoa? Alright. You have a discount? Give me one price, I get one.
Everything's an offer today.
Everything is an offer.
Yeah. Okay. Look, the Kenyan, you can buy 6.
But I don't cycle though, I do skate. Niseme, I'm also a distributor.
You want to start selling
No, I have already a shop and everything. So I'm appreciating. In fact, I have the same model. But
How much do you sell them?
mine is always
Okay, I was similar. Yeah.
yes, the same.
Yeah.
I have a shop for skate all the time. I do it skate.
Okay, nice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice.
Okay. Long sleeve class, maybe next time.
That was just normal business.
I have my plan. I have my next class skaters and plan also.
Okay, nice.
Yes, but I appreciate. I'm just taking a tour around the
No worries.
exhibition.
Okay.
Thank you. Your name?
Mir.
Mir. Nice to meet you.
Same here.
What about the skis?
We don't have those. We just have
Thank you. Let's go. Tumefika. Oh, tumefika. So first you check the helmet. So these are the helmet, guys. Look at that. Looks so nice. So how much are your helmets?
No, this one is a different.
Oh, it's a different section. Yours is this side. I should try it.
Really fast.
I'm scared.
Really fast.
Kama ile ingine ilikuwa hivyo.
Kama lingine imeenda
Not in
hivyo.
a like wrestling.
In a good way. It's okay for me to try. Uniombe. Cheki, nimesave mama yangu sweet mom, sawa? In case of anything. So I just okay. Guys, I'm trying this one in Asia. Okay, commercial EP or in Swahili Nuki. So it's more advanced than the other one. Okay, let me try it out and I will tell you how it feels. Okay, here we go. Woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Okay. Bro. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Woo, woo. Bro, don't.
Wow.
Don't. So, how much for this? This one is 20,000 and this one 90. Wait, 120. Hey, have it. 120. Questionnaire. No, wacha tu watu wata-scan pia. Questionnaire. Oh, that place. So, where you guys located in case you are interested? Located at? Hurlingham. When Hurlingham? Okay guys, Chaka Road Mall, you'll get Nuki na India. EPS and Nuki. So guys, if you want to check it out, minimum and give it away, please. Thank you. What about your helmet? How much for your helmet? Can you show them? Hi guys, thank you so much. I will Flash Skaters on YouTube. Yes, you can check it out. I will try and make a video on Wednesday. Hi, Morris, wambie unanijua.
Yeah, I know that.
This side, they are working. If you work on your beer, guy, you like anyway. So, mambo, hiyo yenyewe inaitwa aje? Bicycle garage. Let me show them. This is the garage, guys. Wako na toolbox na wako na vijana wamedai nywele. Aya, sawa. Mko paka na chocolate. Aya, tuko this side. What do you have on this side? Hi. Hii yenyewe inaitwa aje? We are making a video. Ama nyinyi si wa hapa?
No, it's him.
What's him? Tunaona tu video ya YouTube. This is what we have here. If you don't mind. Okay. Sorry kama nimekuambush. Okay. Within the train in Ama.
Would you like to have?
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Go. So what do we have here? Hello.
You have
Name of your
decided
shop?
for this.
Bikes and gears.
Bikes and gear.
Yeah.
Where are you located?
Karen.
Karen. Okay. What can they get in your shop? Brief too. Helmets.
Helmets, bikes,
And
bikes.
more bikes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. This is nice. This ID. Okay. This is Kendra Tire. Hello. Okay. Kendra Tire. Pale katikati, alafu you can go home. So guys, this is just a random video. I'm having fun. I'm just taking a walk after the race, and we're just showcasing what different distributors and vendors are showcasing their products in Nairobi. This is KICC. So we are in this stand. This is called Giant Bikes. Aje bro? Giant Bikes. So let me ask one of them. Hata wewe ni mmoja wao. Aje, what do you do? I'm making a video for you. Giant Bikes. Nini or this is Yeah, okay. Niko mask ndio watu wanasikia kidogo.
This is South Africa. It's a partnership between South Africa and Kenyan.
Okay. Muziki iko huko, sorry.
What we do is sell bikes, accessories, organize segment events. We do touring, bike touring and bike park.
Okay, yours is not electric.
Ours mostly, we have some giant bikes which are electric, okay, other than so we have a whole range of bikes, from kids bikes to from bikes.
Alright, so today what are you doing here? Apart from bikes.
Some of our most selling accessories.
Okay, light. What is the most selling accessory here?
We have lights,
Lightly. Okay.
we have pedals, we have nutrition, and what about the collection of other products.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where are you located? If someone wants to come to your shop, or are you online and stuff?
We most of our products are online, but we have a shop
Thank you so much. So for example, how much is this one? 100. Guys, 100 adangoa 40. Umesikia hiyo? Alafu unapata na cyclist kwa barabara unatembea. Okay guys, bro, thank you for watching flashskaters on YouTube. Flashskaters. Thank you so much, bro. Keep it up. Oh, you haven't told me about the suit. How much are the suits? Then you need the steel. 1200. Okay, thank you. Guys, I think that's it. This has been amazing in that. Love it. Tumeenda kila mahali wapi imebaki food too. Ni vile tu guys, we don't have hata hizo rumia videographers. So this is KICC guys. I did a video about this place. You can check out my channel. Yeah, and I think I'm done. Yay! Subscribe by the way. Arise and grind. We try that side out. Yeah, last to don't know I'm gonna hit. If we go that side, then go to Kenyan side. Totally. Mambo, umeona?